Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing Windows so Swift can run predictably. Enable WSL and choose Ubuntu. This gives you a Linux-like environment that Swift expects. Once WSL is active, install VS Code for editing, Git for source control, and Windows build tools for native interoperability. Make sure to update packages in Ubuntu so dependencies are current. This prevents obscure toolchain mismatches. These steps reduce friction later and let you focus on Swift itself rather than OS issues. You now install the Swift toolchain into your WSL instance. Download the matching Swift tarball for Ubuntu, extract it into /usr/local, and add the toolchain's bin directory to your path so commands are globally available. Once done, install native dependencies like libcil, clang, libiku, and libcurl because Swift links to them at runtime. After installing dependencies, run Swift version to confirm the toolchain is recognized. If it prints a version, you're ready to build and run Swift code. You finish by creating and running a Swift package. Swift package init type executable, Swift build, and Swift run to execute. Use VS Code with the Swift extension for convenient editing and debugging, and configure tasks to call Swift build automatically. If things go wrong, inspect path and library versions first. Mismatched libcil or clang is a common culprit. As a troubleshooting tip, run ldconfig or reinstall the missing packages in WSL. Then rebuild. This resolves most linkage and runtime errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.